Hi, Caitlin. Thank you once again for sharing your piece. As always, I enjoyed reading your writing, and I thought that this really flowed really well, and really talked about what you've learned from this class and how you're going to connect it to your teaching and use it in the future. I loved your ending here, just being open and honest and saying you have so much room to grow still. Even though your writing is phenomenal as it is, you know that it can be better, so that's awesome. I did write here, just speaking to your agenda. Well, I'll start up here. I wrote that I really liked how you made the connection here between your two paragraphs. You know, you kind of wrapped up this paragraph here. I just tried to point and then realized you wouldn't see it. This standard here or this paragraph here by introducing your connection to standards and then going right into how the focus on common core standards really helped you and kind of spoke to your teaching there. But then I kind of said just kind of the opposite with these two paragraphs down here. I felt like it was really, the transition was a little choppy here, where you kind of were talking about something completely different here and then went into something else here. So maybe you could try, or I wonder if you tried doing what you did previously in your writing and making a little bit of a connection there to make the transition flow a little easier. But other than that, I thought it was great. Not much to say about your writing as usual. It's really good. Just again, working on that flow between each set of paragraphs to make the transition easier for your readers. But thanks for sharing.